Now on this Ford 550 backhoe here, I just wanted to give everybody kind of a hack here for if you ever blow out one of your power steering lines. As you can see here, instead of a steel line, I replaced it with a 3/8 inch hose and with a swivel connector down here on this end and that, and then also up here with a reducer GIC fitting to drop it or to convert it over to a 1/2 inch or to a pipe fitting. The biggest thing you got to worry about with this is, like I said, you can get it gets kind of long unless you have them special made and cut. I bought this hose at Fleet Farm with the fittings, so I left it a little longer and that. So you just got to be careful so you don't catch it. But like I said, I think it only cost me roughly about $20 to $25 to actually replace that versus $150 for the entirety of a whole steel line that goes on here and that. Also, as I showed up here on the cylinder arms, I had switched it over to hose fittings for the same reason, because to buy all the steel fittings up here to replace it is beyond expensive and hard to find and that. So I just wanted to let you know that's kind of a hack for fixing a power steering line on these Ford 550 backhoes. If you blow one out, very cheap, easy to do, and that. So hopefully that information is helpful. Maybe later I will do another video, and I will also talk about the water pump replacement on here, what kind of a project it was. It takes a few minutes really to cover it. I'm glad I don't have to fix one, but it'd be a very good showing of how to actually take the front end apart on this machine here. As you see, you got to pull this plate and a whole bunch of stuff off just to get into the water pump back there and that. So, but we'll save that for a future video. But I just wanted to take this opportunity and kind of give you a quick repair hack on how to replace a power steering line on a Ford 550 backhoe and do it as cheaply as possible.